Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create multiple Facebook accounts using just one email. For instance, here I have one Facebook account, but I can create another profile using the same account. Okay, let us open the Facebook application. Okay, just refresh it. Now click on your profile picture, then click on your name. Okay, then you'll want to click on the three dots, the right, then look for create another profile, this plus sign here. Then you'll be asked to connect your Instagram profile, but you can skip this. Okay, then you'll be told to choose a name for your Facebook profile. You can choose name. Let's say I want to call myself James. Okay, then click continue. Then you can just tap on create profile using the button, just like this. It's creating a profile. You see, I now have my new profile, but just within the same Facebook account. Okay, thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.